The stuff my peers and I had to deal with as teenagers was not okay. But at least we had gone through puberty. We had hips and breasts and some first-hand idea of what sexual attraction even was. I can't imagine having to think about never underestimate a November woman loves camping shirt any of it. The cultural, never underestimate a November woman loves camping shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Never underestimate a November woman loves camping shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. I certainly wasn't wearing a bra at night and I was 20 yo and firmly AC cup. Anyway, we had an impromptu discussion of bodily autonomy. I did ask Mary to please stop lifting her shirt to prove to never underestimate a November woman loves camping shirt. That was an experience. And I don't know what's going on, but it seems to be getting worse. When I was in elementary school and starting to get breasts, I'd wear training bras occasionally for gym class or with certain outfits. Most of my other product